Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Huawei Mate 40 Pro, it's now spotted on hands-on video. We have seen a lots of leaks about the upcoming Huawei Mate 40. Some rumor says it has the Kirin 9000, maybe the first 5nm chipset with a built-in 5G modem in the upcoming Huawei Mate 40 Pro. And also we have seen the Huawei Mate 40 Pro display glass point to smaller punch hole, and some rumor says Huawei Mate 40 series might get 108 megapixel main camera with the 9p lens, and the another leak says that the Mate 40 series is expected to feature a free-form camera lens and new 5nm Kirin 1020 chipset. But that's all about the rumors and leakers, but it's same old story. Unfortunately, Huawei made a flagship stroll on the subway with its NDA case, giving us our first look at what's come to. The video, as you can see, show that elegant Mate 40 Pro with this curved waterfall screen, pill-shaped punch hole and red accent power button next to the volume rocker. Upon closer inspection, the selfie camera cutout appears slimmer than what we saw on the P40 Pro, which is in line with the previous speculation. The Mate 40 series will debut with a 5nm Kirin 9000 chipset and is expected to carry on the circular camera cutout around the backside. We are expecting a 108 megapixel main shooter with a free-form 9p lens alongside a periscope module with a 5x optical zooms, and the digital zoom is not confirmed. The remaining module will likely to be an ultra-wide and ToF sensor. The Mate 40 series is expected to debut the next month in October, because last year in 2019 they launched the Huawei Mate 30 series. So we expect that the upcoming Huawei Mate 40 series the next month, October. But in addition, the Mate 40 series, there will be a new machine that will be equipped with a Kirin 9000 debut, namely the Huawei Mate X2. Should be in Mate 40 series debut at the same time, but does not rule out the possibility of separate follow-up release. According to the blogger Digital Chat Station, a new Huawei is model TETANO into the net. Allegedly, the Mate X2 codename Titan is also equipped with a 5nm process to create the Kirin 9000 chipset. It was previously reported that the Mate X2 has switched to inward folding solution, which is similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 with a size of 8.03 inches and an external screen size of 4.5 inch. But let's see in upcoming days. This is all about the rumors and leakers. We did not confirm about the upcoming Huawei Mate 40 series, how many phones they launched, 1, 2, 3, because last year they launched 3 smartphones, Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro with a 5G and 4G. Let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.